Guys, Tech That White's here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Google Chromecast. It's a Chromecast 3rd gen. I got it from my mom for $35 at Target as a Christmas present. But yeah, it's brand new in the box, and it's sealed really nicely, and I forgot to bring it to the house yesterday, but I did today. And if you haven't noticed, I've been uploading consecutively at 5 p.m. Pacific time every 2 days. So, yeah. I had like 5 videos already pre-uploaded, so all the videos before this were made like relatively a long time ago. But yeah, this is going to be like this will release probably like 4 days or 3 days after it was made. So, yeah. If you're wondering what day it is, I think it's like the 23rd, I have no idea. Or the 4th. But yeah, let's get straight into this unboxing. I don't want to mess up the box, so I'm just going to like try and cut it a little bit. You know, let me do this off camera. Okay, so I got a little bit open. This won't be very satisfying, but I guess let's just get it off. And there we go. And it looks like this is like paperish cardboard, so that's cool. I'm pretty sure it just like falls out. Let's get it out. It's gonna slowly fall out, it seems. And this is actually it just plugs into an HDMI port on your TV, and you use your phone to use it. So sorry, I didn't mean to hit the table, but here we go. Here's the Chromecast right here. I guess yeah, you can just take it out. So here it is. It's a small little thing. It's about the size I expected. I think it's a tad bit bigger than the display on the front. But yeah, it's capable of doing like most apps that an Xbox can, or like a Roku. It's basically the same, except now it's Google and it's smaller and doesn't have a remote. But it's cool, and apparently can go on Facebook. I'm not quite sure who would want to go on that when you'd be using literally your phone as the remote, but okay. And it could also cast, the cool thing about it is it can cast your Android device's screen onto your TV, and that'll be very useful. Or it'll probably just be cool, but yeah. I think it comes with a charger. What does it use? Okay, I'm not gonna take the chargers out, I'm just gonna leave everything in there. But it's basically just a tiny micro USB charger, and then a power brick, which I'll take out since it's not gonna do anything. It has a nice little texture to it, actually. Let me just let this fall out. Here you go. Has a nice little textured power cable, and this Chromecast is the 3rd generation, if I haven't stated that. I think I did, just making sure. Then it has a little Let's Get Started manual inside of it. I don't know how I'm supposed to get this out. I guess I gotta try and reach from the bottom. Here we go. Here it is. It just tells you how to set it up. I'm already gonna know how to do that. And then here's just a warranty packet and safety with it. I don't know why you need to know how to be safe with this thing. I don't know how you can actually hurt yourself with that thing. I don't know. But yeah, I guess I'll just put everything back inside the package, and just for later keeping. So then if I ever want to resell it, or if it ever breaks or something, I can have everything in the original packaging and everything neatly put back together. Okay, that's the best we're gonna do. Now let's put the top back on. And yeah, I really like this packaging when it was sealed, but I'm still gonna like this anyways. It's gonna be nice for displays. But yeah, so basically here's the Chromecast. I can go over setting it up. I probably won't, because then I'll have to move over to my TV and it's up on a ledge, so that's not really gonna work. But yeah, it's a small little round-shaped object. It has an HDMI out port on the back, so it can plug into a TV and only a TV, unless you have an adapter and can somehow attach it to like a tablet or something. I don't think you can anyways, if you use it as a video output device. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It's compatible with your phone. That's how you use it. You have to download the Google Home app. I can show you that on the side as well. So it has 1080p HD support, of course, as it's kind of like just standard. Comes with the HDMI port, like in the actual thing, and then you use Google Home to use it. So that's going to be neato. But yeah, that's really it. It's a cool thing. It looks really nice for some reason, even though it's just a tiny square, or circle. But yeah, I'm kind of interested in what's inside of this thing. That'll be cool to see that. There's a little button here. It's probably just the power button. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button. Tell me if you want any information on this in the comment section below, if you just want to tell me something. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.